Respected dignitaries on the dais, inaugurator and chief guest of this program, Sri Animesh Debarma, Honorable Minister for Forests, Department of Science and Technology and Environment. We have with us Sri A. Sengupta, Director in Charge, Directorate of Biotechnology, Government of Tripura. We have with us Sri Bishu Debarma, Honorable Chairman, Khowai Zone TTADC. Sri Khakesh Debarma, Honorable Vice Chairman, Khowai Zone TTADC. We have an uninvited guest now. We have with us Sri Pradeep Kumar Debarma, Honorable BAC Chairman. Sri Srutambat Debarma, Honorable Vice Chairman BAC. Sri Tapas Debarma, Honorable Chairman Bachaiwari Subzone. Sri Subhash Debarma, Honorable Chairman Tulashigar Subzone. And Sri Amit Debarma, Honorable Chairman Agri Standing Committee Tulashigar RD Block. When it comes to governance, the final aim of any governance process is to facilitate development. But what exactly is development is a question that has made states wonder. In development discourse, earlier, in liberal approach, development was seen as economic growth, increasing people's incomes, more industrialization, more exploitation of nature, more roads, more money. As per World Bank, any country which has per capita income more than 15,000 US dollars is considered developed. So it is exactly economic growth. As the discourse progressed, we moved to other perspectives of development. There is a Marxist perspective on development which talks about classless, stateless society. There is feminist perspective to development. And decades later, Dr. Amartya Sen, he wrote his famous book, Development as Freedom. In that, human development, it came to the forefront of development discourse. As per Amartya Sen, it is development only when people are able to access the kind of life that they want to lead. It is about giving them the capabilities and freedom to approach the life as they want it. One decade later, from human development, we went to sustainable development. Our goals changed from Human Development Index to Sustainable Development Goals. I am giving you all this long introduction of development just to say how the Bio Village project of Government of Tripura is an example of the most modern idea of sustainable development. Director Saab spoke about how Daspara is getting coverage, how Bio Village scheme is taken up by Niti Aayog as one of the best practices. I would still say that it requires more attention and it requires more coverage and it needs to be replicated in more places. BioVillage scheme, it ticks all the right boxes. It is for sustainability, it is for increasing incomes of people, it is community led. It is not a top down approach but it is a bottom up approach where people decide what they want. And on top of all that, there is convergence of all departments. If you look at the items which are components of BioVillage, you can see there is ARDD, there is TSECL, there is fisheries, there is agriculture, there is solar pump. So there are so many components, so many departments which converge in these BioVillages. So we, Khowai, as people in Khowai, we used to read about BioVillages in other parts of the state, but this is for the first time that we have got this wonderful array of 5 BioVillages which are close to each other: Purba Takchya, Bidyabil, East Belabari, Paschim Chambachara and Paschim Rajnagar. It is yet another example of our Honorable Ministers, Animesh Debarma Sir's everlasting commitment for the development of Khowai in general and Tulashigar in particular. He leaves no stone unturned for the development of this small block. So in this remote villages of Tulashikar, now we will have the most modern idea of development, which is all thanks to Sir and the Science and Technology Department, which worked very hard behind his vision. And I'm also very thankful to the block administration because you have done a wonderful job by facilitating all these development projects in these 5 villages. And I hope these 5 bio villages, they not only rise to prominence in the national level, but also improve the lives of people, each and every person staying in these villages. I hope all of you benefit from this scheme, and I hope these 5 bio villages become the model of development, not just for the TTADC areas, not just for the tribal areas, not just for the rural areas, but for the entire state and the country itself. Because this is how we should go forward. This is the path of development that all of us should take. So I thank Science and Technology Department for inviting me here. I had little to do with the project, but it feels good to see the kind of efforts which are going on here. Thank you so much for the invite. Thank you everyone for being here. I wish each and every beneficiary all the very best, and many congratulations to the Science and Technology Department led by our Honorable Minister Sir, and I wish all the success for this project. Thank you.